Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to try this makeup hack that I've seen, and it should be an easy way of doing your eyeshadow and still get the great results. So I'm dipping my finger into 4 different shades, a shimmery one, a warm brown, a reddish brown, and finally a dark, almost black brown. With a fluffy blending brush, I'm going to start blending, starting from the darkest shade and working my way towards the shimmery one. The dark brown was the hardest to blend. I think it would be the best to try something lighter next time and maybe then build up later on. Now, on the other eye, I'm going to create the same eye look just the way I would usually do it. I would start with the medium brown all over my eyelid, then deepen the outer corner with the reddish brown. Then I would add the dark brown to intensify the outer corner and blend it like so. I would even go to intensify a bit my lower lash line with the same brush. Now, I might have been carried away, but I felt like I needed to add a bit of highlight on my brow bone. Then I added just a tinge more reddish brown because it got lost in the dark brown. Finally, with a flat brush, I'm adding the shimmer shade in my inner corner and blending it till the center of my eyelid. I'm going to finish this eye look with some black eyeliner and mascara. Some blush and highlight. And I like to apply the highlighter with my finger sometimes, as it's easier and it blends into the skin better, in my opinion. This is the final look. I didn't put a ton of makeup because I just wanted to test this hack, this eyeshadow hack. So on this eye, it looks lower than this one with the regular blending, the classical blending that we usually do. I like more this eye because you can, it's like more of a gradient. This one is like more of a same tone eye basically. I mean, if you're in a hurry and you don't want anything in particular, just go for this. But to be honest, it didn't take me much time to blend this one anyway, so I would just stick with this one because it looks better, at least the way I did it. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like and please subscribe. It helps me out a lot. I hope you have a great day.